Today, I am going to be doing a chrome delete on my Honda Accord.
Nice.
So we have the instructions right here. Clean the surface with alcohol wipes, bottom pieces cut separate, align, blah, blah, blah. Use heat gun or a hair dryer, blah, 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 blah. Leave the vehicle in the sun for 24 to 48 hours. Man, we do not need this.
Bitch, fuck y'all, look.
All right, so you get your alcohol wipe, just wipe down the whole chrome. I mean, I don't know why I wiped this down because this isn't going to change, but everything else around it will be black.
Yeah, boy.
Next, we have to do passenger and driver side in the back, so I'll just catch y'all whenever I'm done with that.
A few moments later.
All right, so we have the vinyl strips for the driver's side. I'm going to be doing the driver's side first, and then I'm gonna show y'all everything else, twin, okay? So bear with me. Don't clown me on my fit. You know, I feel like every car nigga does not care about their fit. Prove me wrong. But first thing we did was wipe it down with alcohol wipes. Make sure you do that if you do wanna do this installation. Second, twin, is a heat gun. I got a hair dryer, so I mean, it should work the exact fucking, same, if I'm honest.
I hope so.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna apply it, heat gun it, squeegee it. Don't forget your squeegee. I'm using one of my debit cards, so I mean, it still works no matter what. So let's just get into the installation. But first thing you do is try your best to line it up with the car, all that jazz. This is probably like the hardest part. I'm gonna keep it a buck. It's just lining it up. Oh, fuck, I messed up. It's okay though. Boom. It's lined up right there. Then you kind of want to use your finger, a little bit of your finger. Don't let it stick yet. I like to do the top, then the bottom. Feel me? You feel me or you feel me?
Stop it. Get some help.
All right, so you want to place it on here. Try your best to line it up. Doesn't have to be super duper perfect. Even though I low-key want it to be perfect. Okay.
5 minutes later.
There is a little bit of a bubble. Hold on. Let me get that out. Boom. One done. One done. One's done. Boom. Just like that. So then we're gonna use the heat gun or hair dryer and, you know, get all the nooks and crannies out, and I'll catch y'all in a bit.
How you so rude, how you so rude. Think about cutting you off, I don't know what to do. You spray skirt and that so large. Love my hoe in pink, cause that's my favorite color. These niggas try to swag, can't just fight forever. Fight forever.
So this is kind of the area I was talking about that I kind of messed up on right here. You see there's a bunch of scratches and stuff, scuffs on it. But other than this, like all of this looks good. All of this looks really good. There's a few little bumps in there, but it is what it is. This one looks good up here. This one looks good down here. Like, I can't lie. It's looking pretty good. Yes, sir! Next up, we have the front grille. This is what I've been waiting to do for the longest. It's the front grille. So let's get into it. Ooh. This is going to be the top piece of the front grille. I'm confused.
Eventually.
Update. I had to pop my hood just to get under here, but heat gun. Let's go.
What you doing, babe?
2,000 years later.
Hours later, we're onto the back. I'm tired. I want some food, but we gotta thug it out. All right, this is what the back looks like. It's pretty good, I will not lie. There's a little bit of stuff. The bottoms, pretty good. Can't lie, I'm tired, but we still have the front and the driver's side, and then we're done. So I guess let's keep going, bruh.
An eternity later.
I've been recording for like 2-3 hours. I'm not gonna lie, I gave up. Okay, listen. The front, I took it off. I left it on here in the bottom, but I took it off this chrome right here. I took it off. It was too much of a hassle. I didn't feel like going through that hassle because it was like one side was thin, the other side was too much. The top wasn't matching up with the bottom wasn't matching up with the top. I was just like, you know what? I give up, twin. I just give up. I'm not doing it. And y'all can see behind me, it started to rain. So I was just like, dang, I low-key feel like not doing this.
Why the fuck you lying?
But I'm gonna keep going. I'm almost done. I'll update y'all whenever I'm done, bro. This will be the last clip, the second to last clip, but I'll catch y'all.
Blanket on when I rap my ceilings too high up. Throw up 5-star if you ready to die for it. Bitch so childish, I like grown fly bitches. Studio in my own crib, time to make 5 forever. Bitch, I throw up 5 forever. Legend status, I'ma die with it. Bottle girls and model hoes, fiending, yeah, I like that. And I can't even blame them, cause PB, I'm an icon. I swear one day I'm gonna be on billboard.com. Might have to retire after this year, I'm gonna have options. For sure.
Make sure, if you enjoyed the video, to like, comment, subscribe for more. We're on the road to 20 subscribers, so it'd be greatly appreciated if you drop your boy a follow. I appreciate y'all for watching me chrome delete my Honda Accord. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.